Hey everyone! Today we are taking a look at how to change your local model download location directly inside the desktop interface. Let me walk you through navigating the settings and updating your storage path step by step. First, go ahead and launch the application on your desktop. Once the window opens, take a look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. Near the top, you will see options like New Chat and Launch, and right at the bottom of that sidebar menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings panel, click on the Models or Storage section on the left. Here, you will see your current download path displayed, showing where all your AI models and weights are saved on your computer. Right next to or below the current directory path, click the Browse or Change Location button. This opens up your computer's File Explorer window. Now, navigate to the new location where you want your models to live, for example. Select a folder on your secondary D drive or external SSD, and click Select Folder to confirm your choice. Once selected, you will see the model location path update on screen. Go ahead and click Save or Apply at the bottom of the settings page. From this point on, any new AI models you download will save directly to your new folder, keeping your main system drive clean and free of space issues. And that is all it takes to change your model storage location inside the app interface.